Hooked up, hooked up.
About to do some fishing today. Today's February 2nd, 2020. I'm gonna try a little bit of creek fishing. Indian Creek, you already know. Let's get to it.
That's how we start today, folks. Here.
Oh, it came off.
Beautiful day here in Indiana. I'm landed with Embrace the Outdoors. We're going to do a little creek fishing today. It's about 60-some degrees. It feels amazing out. Let me just show you where we're going real quick. I'm hung up already. This place is beautiful. Fishing today with Adam and my wife. Hopefully we can get hooked up on some fish. It was pretty cold last night, but you never know when you can get a good bite.
Well, first spot wasn't much of a success. We were here for about 30 minutes, didn't catch a single thing. Had a couple little bites, but nothing major. So we're gonna go back to one of our old reliable spots for the first time this year, see what we can't catch. We're gonna be on our way to the slough here in Williams, Indiana. Come along with us as we take our tricks to the water.
Well, everyone, we made it to the slough. See if one of us can't fall going up this hill here. We already got Adam falling once. Hope we can get him again. Or I might fall.
Two things are gonna fall, either me or my pants. Lost my belt.
Oh gosh. Would you all just look at that? Beauty miss. What? What trail is this?
On the Milwaukee Trail.
We're on the famous Milwaukee Trail. If you don't know, get down here and step your little legs off, why don't you?
Want to take a trip to Bedford? It's 9 miles that way. Have fun.
And the bait shop's that way.
Uh-huh.
Yep, he's right in that spot.
Gotta love a good bird nest, don't you?
Ever teach you how to use those?
Nuh-uh, not in school. They ever teach you how?
I said the
Part
slough,
quantum
so we
mechanics.
might be moving.
Oh! Oh, I got you in the limb.
Pull on his line.
Here, always bring a little hatchet.
Show me your lumberjack skills.
Watch me. Just gotta clear the way.
There you go. Work it.
Work it. Let me show you. We do anything and everything outdoors.
That's the motto. Gotta live by it. Let's just take a second and embrace that water. Having any luck over there?
No.
Aw.
I'm gonna say it was a bite.
When in doubt, fish
Bite.
on.
When in doubt, bite it out.
That's the motto.
Not fail.
Well, we're gonna take this opportunity and throw a couple lines in. See if we can't catch something. There are fish here. You can see that little white speck right there? It's a dead shad.
That's a good one.
That means there's fish here, dead or alive.
Whoa.
Stay tuned, folks. About to catch you some bends. Yeet.
Hooked up, hooked up. Yeah, baby. Woo-hoo. Give me that fish. Hold that, sweetheart. Oh, get there, I turned her on.
Yay! Let me take your picture.
See that, everyone? Nick, I hope you're watching this. I caught a fish. Nice little bass. Better let him go. Oh, I had one. Sycamore salmon.
Yes, baby. There's a number one on the year, baby. Got me a little bass. A little bit of a weird hook set.
Let's drop it.
Not a bad little guy. We could do better. Not bad for the first of the year. It's pretty cold. Better get him back to his little home. Be free, little guy.
Yeah!